crushed nacho chips, and it just gives it a little zing.
Fiesta!
You love salad, you hate making it. Take the stringy celery, take the carrots, salad.
Good evening, late-night shoppers. It's me, your old friend, Gob Knob. I started my humble journey of merchantry in a piss cave somewhere. And well, I've moved on up in the world, as you know, and now I'm selling my wares on TVs all across the world. The first item I have for sale today is this. Gold spray. Ooh. This gold spray can turn anything in your life into pure gold. Ooh. Look at this shit, my guys and gals. A regular leaf, Check this shit. Priceless. And if you don't want to use it for inanimate objects, perhaps you want to be in one of those hip-hop music videos. To be in one of those hippie-hop music videos, you have to look fly, and you can look very fly with gold spray. Funky and fresh. Grab some fucking water. Is there a... Okay, give me some water. Or perhaps you'd be interested in another product. That's right. What's this behind my ear? The berries of forbidden knowledge. Ooh! The berries of forbidden knowledge. One of these berries will teach you all the secrets of the forest. One of these berries will teach you all the secrets of the forest. That's good knowledge. Perhaps a bit more. Like a Jimmy Neutron brain blast. That's a lot of knowledge. Perhaps you could buy both products. Perhaps you could buy both. Ooh. Into a nice little gold berry. Too much knowledge. The knowledge hurts now. I'm tripping sack. I'm tripping sack. Oh my god. Only $5.99 a berry. And it Only eat one berry at a time, dear travelers. Only one berry at a time, or else you get a bit too much knowledge. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, the gnomes never hit the towers. It was the pixies. Pixie dust doesn't melt steel beams. They flooded crack into black neighborhoods. They kept them down. Oh, I'm blacking out. I'm blacking out. Oh. Another product I have to sell to you friendly customers at home is Gob Smell. It makes you smell like a goofy goblin. It's one of the greatest colognes of all time. And just to prove it's the greatest cologne you'll ever have, I've got our greatest customer and our most trusted focus tester to test it out on. Shut the fuck up. Smell it. We like to goof. We like to have fun here at Gob Corporation. If you don't shut the fuck up. We're going to do take 9 and take 10 and take 11 and take 12, 11, 13, 14, 15, and 16 until you learn to love the stink. You'll learn to love the stink. Bye-bye, retard. You could also buy the Dice of Fate. Ooh. These dice, you throw them and they show you mystical things. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Got 'em. I'm just playing around. These are the real dice. These are the dice of random status effects. Roll one of these bad boys and one random, interesting, mystical thing will happen in your life. Check this out. No one knows what could happen. Anything could happen. I'm getting a call. Mama Gob? My mother's dead. My agent. Hello, sir. Many happy returns to you from old Gobbles. What's that? You say my infomercials aren't bringing in the money like they used to? No one's buying my products? You're canceling my show? But I was doing so good, sir. Please, sir. I was selling the berries. I was selling the nice. I was selling the spray. The stink, sir. The stink. Sir. I've brought in so much money, sir. You don't understand, sir. My children finally respected me. They finally respected me as a father, as a provider. As a breadwinner, I was bringing home the bacon and the piss. I was bringing it all home, sir. I had an excellent life. My wife was finally giving me that good goblin good, sir. My younger brother, Knob Gob, has been selling more than me. He's just my idiot younger brother. He's an ugly little twat. No. How much more could you take from me, Knob Gob? How much more could you take? Our marriage had come back from a terrible slump. We got back from divorce, sir. With the money I got from these infomercials, my life was back on track. My kids loved me. Damn it, they loved me, sir. You're taking my show? I have nothing left. Back to selling piss. Back to selling piss for real. At least I still have my car. No. Traveler!
Michael and Jason were having the best vacation.
Bro, this is gonna be the best summer ever!
But they didn't realize the horrors that were lurking in the shadows.
I'm so glad we've gotten to go on this vacation together, man. It's just... I can talk to you about everything, and I love life so much. I can't wait to go home and have a great life with my wife and my 3.5 kids. They depend on me so much.
What do you mean, wife and kids? You're a virgin. I caught you in the bathroom at the dorm yanking one out to Marge.
I don't want to die before things have been done to my penis.
No one could have predicted the phantom tax they were about to succumb to.
Can't say a skibbity now, Michael. You're absolutely spleefed. A totally wazed Jillmeister.
They stood no chance to the Rizzler.
might think you're a sneaky little Rizzler hiding in the shadows, but I'm a treasure hunter. I can sense your Ohio aura.
My ankle, my ankle!
I got you now! Crunchy time!
Thank God.
You fully caked up on a Thursday afternoon, and I'm feeling like a whole-ass bakery. Me and Scabaldi gonna have a fun time with you. It's over. Who took my fucking story? We're supposed to be a professional news channel. Give me the shit. Which one is this? Thailand? Nobody gives a shit about fucking Thailand!
New story, Tommy.
This is Nick Saban. Again, we already know that he blew up Auburn Stadium. That's fantastic. God damn it! Now this one's actually interesting. Trump apparently has a micro penis. That's sobering. That's who reported that? Did we? Is that true?
CNN.
Oh. It might not be. We're reporting that Trump has a micro penis. At least we're reporting it. I don't know how we fact checked that, but we've done it, and it's happened repeatedly. Yeah, Stormy Daniels must have had a fucking time with that one.
Sources say he was doing the helicopter in Mar-a-Lago.
How the fuck was he doing the helicopter with a micro penis? Who said that?
CNN.
Which one of you motherfuckers said that?
Tommy, be a professional. Calm down. Calm down.
What do you mean be a professional?
I know we had a party today. We had a party and things got a little wacky, but be professional, all right? New story. New story.
I should contact HR for that one.
All right, I'm sorry, Tommy.
That's just unprofessional.
We just have some goofing. We like to goof. We
do like our goofing, but like, come here. Who are you? Come here.
Yeah,
just stand there for real quick. We like to do a little goofing, right?
Hey, calm down.
A little goofing, right?
Calm the fuck down. All right, hey, give me that shit. Give me that shit. Give me that shit back. Give me back, you fucking asshole. You fucking piece of shit. Fuck you. Fuck. Ah!
He smells like cum. He smells like cum and shit. A lot of shit. I know there was more than that. We can't justify stopping all the hookers for Auburn and Thailand. Nobody gives a shit about Thailand. What's our demographic looking like? How many of them are Auburn fans?
I think about 30 of them.
30? How many fans do we got?
30.
A tragedy has happened in the central Alabama. A true tragedy. Nick Saban's a fucking monster.
New story, boss. New story.
The Underground Railroad. Yeah, so, we had to get rid of Johnson. He said something that was completely immoral and that we're against.
I said.
Why are you still here? Republicans followed suit by, introducing a bill in Congress to legalize segregation. Again.
Woo!
Who?
Who the fuck said that?
No, nobody. Get out.
My wife's black.
We got it. I don't care. Get out.
In other news, McDonald's Sports is selling the McFleshlight. It's tight and big. So big. I've got dimensions here for 2.5 by 33 inches. That's enormous.
That sounds like my ex-wife.
Who the fuck are you? So yeah, go down to your and order the Happy Meal, and inside of it you will receive at least two sex toys at any given point. And let me make sure I got that right. Oh, that said McFlurry. McDonald's is selling the McFlurry at a discounted price, and
You fucking spiraling. I got a new story for you, though. I got a new story for you, Tommy.
Japan invents something called the fuck hole. Wow, there's so many. Who deserves to have their
New
testicles?
story, Tommy. New story, Tommy.
Okay, what the fuck? Moist. Who the fuck is moist critical? And why is she on an OnlyFans? I assume that's a she because only they started
New
an
story for
OnlyFans.
you, Tommy.
This just says.
We got another guy to replace you, okay? We got another guy to replace you. You don't gotta do that shit. You can go home for the night, you know? Get rid of his body. We report on the news. We report on the fucking news. Get his fucking jacket. Get his fucking jacket. We report on the news. We report on the news. Get his fucking jacket. Get his fucking jacket. We report on the news. We report on the get his fucking jacket. Get his fucking jacket. He is dead. Yeah, we report the news. We report the news. Get his fucking jacket. Get his fucking jacket. Alright, my name's Jimmy Fuckstick, and I'm here to report the fucking news. Alright? We had a bender in the office and we got really ballsed off our dicks. We got boozed off. So essentially the way that I was thinking we could do this is, do you guys want to hear my new song? I got a song.
New story, sir.
Oh, okay.
Keep on track.
Yeah, no problem. This says long hair declared illegal. They can never stop me. I am so horny. I need you to look at me, everyone. Everyone watching right now at home. I have never been this horny in my entire life. They put these goofy blue pills in the potato salad, and now I want to fuck everything.
New story.
I want to fuck. Okay. Man attacked. Man. What does this say?
Man attacked by sharks.
Man attacked by sharks. Okay, this is funny. He finds it funny because I almost fucking died in Destin, Florida, based on some sharks. I need to fuck something. Okay. We report the news. We report the news. We report the news. Damn, baby girl, you got that wet. Oh, what's up? Local news anchor fucks gamer subs cup. I did do that. Alright, I don't really... It's expired. It tastes like fucking ass. I'm gonna throw up. But give me a drink. It's on my shirt. It's on my shirt, boys.
Think of tilapia.
I'm so sad. My wife Rochelle left me because I once fucked a platypus. What's this say? Taco Bell to raise prices on value menu. The value menu was all I had left! The value menu was all I had left! The value menu was all I had left!
The spicy mayo is in your hand now.
Oh my god, it is. Right nipple.
I feel like a slut. I feel like a little cum slut.
I'm just gonna walk out on that one.